So logical operators, see, I had given today one program to student to write a program for calculation of power x to the power y. Okay, so a student has written x to the power y like this. You know what is meaning of this? This is logical statement, and whenever it is exclusive or actually, fine. So whenever this type of thing may occur, then try to solve the problem. What is the so before this, let me show you what are the logical operators. So and is one logical, or not, and some other logical operators are there. Okay. So what do you mean by and? And means whatever condition is there. Suppose 6 and 7. Because this number is greater than 0, so it will always return 1. But whenever I am writing 0 and 7, it will give me 0. So let us see one by one. Okay, with coding examples. Here logical OR is given, logical NOT. What see, true and false will give you false. True and false will give you true in OR condition, and not false equals to true in NOT condition. Okay. Here we have done one more programming. Okay. In this programming, what happened? I had the student has written equals to 4. So let me show you the program. So it is much better to understand that what is the problem. Okay. Yes. So if the chat is available for that program, then I'll be able to show you. Otherwise, I'm not able to show you. So one more. Yes. So this is a simple program which calculates so now this is available to you, and this is a simple program which calculates roots of any quadratic equation. Okay, so you know when this what is this? This D is what?
So your screen is not visual.
My screen is visible or not? It is not visible.
No, sir, not
No,
visible.
No, sir.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me
Yes,
what is
sir.
the meaning of this D? This D is something in quadratic equation. What we are calculating using D?
Discriminant.
Discriminant. So you know that when discriminant is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. If discriminant is equals to 0, then roots are equal. And if discriminant is greater than 0, then roots are real.
Real.
Yes. So let
Yes,
it
sir.
copy from here and use some other compiler. GCC C compiler online. Because it is not written in beautified version. So when a beautification is available, yes, here I think beautification is available. So this program is pasted, and I had beautified also this program. Okay. You can see that this program is written clearly that if it is less than 0, then it will print both roots are imaginary, because you won't be able to calculate this. Now, if everything is okay, then it will run. Okay. If I'm running, it will not give me any output. Include math.h. Okay. Because I had used one function, square root, sqrt is there here. So let me include one more file, copy, then paste math.h. Math.h. Okay. Now I'm running, but it will not give me any output. Although I had already entered the coefficient. Fine. I'm not accepting the coefficient from user. So what is the problem? The problem is here. Discriminant, it must be when discriminant is equals to 0. It is not assigned to 0. So you must write equals to equals to. Now if I am running, it will give me correct output. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So be careful what is the difference between equals to and double equals to. Inside any condition, what happen? It will just assign the value, but it will not printing anything. Fine. It will just assigning the value and it will not printing anything. That's why no result will be coming. Now, as soon as I had made this equal, then it will showing all these things. Now, let us move further. Yes. So this is equality and double equals. It will give you dangerous error because program looks very correct, but it is not giving me output correctly. So what is the reason? And it makes program dangerous. So does not ordinarily cause syntax errors. Any expression that produces a value can be used in controlled structure. Non-zero values are true, zero values are false. So वो जो answer आ रहा है, that answer is true. That's why it is executing something, but it will not give you any answer. So if like in this particular code, if pay code equals to 4, printf you got a bonus. Now in next condition also, here you can see that pay code equals to 4. This is equality condition, and because of equality condition, 4 is not 0 or it is non-zero quantity. So expression is true and bonus awarded no matter whatever pay code was. So this will give you a logical error. It is not a syntax error. Syntax is correctly written, but the logic is not correctly written. Now come to confusing equality and assignment operator. So there are L values and R values. Okay, L values means whatever value we are writing in left hand side is known as L values, and whatever written in right hand side is known as R values. So generally R values are assigned to L values. Okay, generally or all the time. You cannot write 4 equals to X, but you can write X equals to 4. Fine. Similarly, you can write A equals to B, A equals to C, whatever you want, whatever value you want to assign. But you cannot assign left hand side value to right hand side. You only assign the value from right hand side to left hand side. Okay? Now come to structured programming summary. So here it says something and you must try to understand what is the criteria. Suppose this statement is written in a box. Let me erase this box first. Suppose statements are written in a box. ये एक बॉक्स के अंदर लिखा है, तो आप इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? एक बॉक्स बना सकते हैं और इसके बाद दूसरा बॉक्स और बना सकते हैं. Yes or no?
Yes,
Is
sir.
there any problem? Is there any problem writing like this? I think no one has objection about this because it is written clearly. So in this structured programming, it is easier than unstructured programming to understand, test, debug, and modify the program. Rules developed by programming community. Only single entry, single exit control structures are used. Okay, only single entry, single exit. Fine. Now rules. Begin with simplest flowchart. Initially, we start with simplest flowchart. Like whatever we are written for, we have already written for uh, grade. In grades flowchart, it was very simple. Just enter the marks of maths, enter the marks of physics, enter the marks of chemistry. Okay. And then we will calculate the percentage and we will display the result. Now, after that, any rectangle or any action can be replaced by two actions, two rectangles. This is one rule. This is another rule. Begin with the simplest flowchart. Third rule is now come to any rectangle can be replaced by any control structure. Now, see, this rectangle we can replace by control structure. Lower one. Because I am interested in only positive number. And sometimes it may be happen that the answer will be negative. So how do we create a constant? So we can create a constant if C is less than 0. Okay, this C will be calculated if C is less than 0. Then only it will run the program. If it is true, then it will go ahead. If it is false, then it will go to this label and ask user, please enter correct number. Yes or no? Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
So now you can replace any rectangle by sequence if else, switch, while, do while, or for. And rules 2 and 3 can be applied in any order and any number of times. Okay. You can use another if else structure, you can use for loop, you can use, but it depends. It must provide whatever we want. Okay, it must be for sake of users convenience. It is not for just programming, like if a person is paying me 500 rupees, so oh, he has given me 500 rupees, so just write rectangle box only. Okay, if another person comes as six, he give me 650 rupees, so I put one if, and another person put give me 1000 rupees, so I put if and else also. Then for loop is also given to him. Okay, and another person with 1200 rupees, I give him while loop also. So this is not the way of writing program. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So if you have given the money, if you have already talked to that person, then you need to develop the program in this range, and it must be very good. Okay. It must be very good to understand. So these are the practices that you must begin with. You start with this flowchart only. Okay. After that, it will be further break into multiple statement. After that, you can include some of the structures. Okay, you can use multiple if statements also, and then multiple actions also, and finally this program will print certain output. So this is the practice. So here it is saying how do you break the rule. Actually, this start and stop is oval shape. Okay, but the user was not able to write in oval shape. So it is written in this means age kind of brackets. Boxes. Okay. Now come to next. You can break this simple statement into multiple actions. This action, suppose this is action 1. This is now action 1.1, action 1.2. Further, it can be breakable into action 1.1.1, action 1.1.2, action 1.2. Okay. And you can break as many as actions it is required. So how do you use these actions? It depends on computation. Now come to another. Rule 3, replace any rectangle. Replace any rectangle with control structures. So these are the control structure, loops, multiple control structures. Rule 3 can break into control structure. Rule 3 is all about control structure. Then multiple control structures. Okay. So you can break likewise. So all programs can broken down into 3 control. One is sequence, handled automatically by compiler. Selection, it is handled at runtime. Okay, handled by compiler at runtime. Repetition is also, it depends on runtime. Whatever user is providing input can only be combined in 2 ways: nesting by rule 3 and stacking. Stacking means multiple action can be means single action can be converted into multiple action. So this is known as stacking. Any selection can be written as an if statement, and any repetition can be rewritten as while statement. Okay, so this is another point for structured programming. Now storage classes. How many storage classes are there? So what are the use of storage class? So basically we are using automatic storage class most of the time. Storage class means how we are going to store the variable. Storage classes can be used to describe features of variable or function. Now these features basically include the scope, visibility, and lifetime, which help us to trace the existence of particular variable during runtime of a program. Okay. So before going to this, let us do some exercise. Okay. Pick the odd number problem. Actually, we are having sufficient number of students. So this is our problem. Okay. And how many students are there? This time 15 students are there. So according to this roll number, means whomsoever is available, just try to do by your own. Okay. So you are having 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, you need to explain the program. You need to run the program. If you are not having system, just dry run on paper.
So which
Your
program?
time, the program is not visible to you. Yes. Now these programs are visible.
Yes,
Means
sir.
question. So you need to pick.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pick any one of your choice and explain. And don't pick all the persons are picking like a volume of cube or something like that. Okay. So my suggestion is that Ajay will write program 1, Akhil 2, Ankit 3, Kiran Kumar 4, Bhavesh 5, Kartavya 6, Mahima 7, Prathamaditya 8, Raghav 9, Rajbir 10, Shahoj 1, Tarun 2, Umesh 3, Vagish 4, and Vedant Vipul 5. Okay? So this is program in front of you. The time start now. I will ask at 1:54.
सर
हो गया?
हाँ सर मुझे मिला है साइज ऑफ डेटा टाइप, सो सर सिर्फ मुझे इंट, चार एंड फ्लोट ही कंसिडर करना है ना?
अब ये आप बताओगे, मुझे नहीं मालूम है ना।
नहीं सर, मतलब बहुत सारे होते हैं लेकिन अब तक इतना ही इससे ही किया है तो।
आपके पास लैपटॉप है?
हाँ सर।
ये मैंने आपको प्रेजेंटर बनाया है, आप दिखाओ।
ओके सर।
हाँ ओके।
सर
यस
सर मैंने चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया अपना।
चैट बॉक्स में डाला है। पहले अभी वेदांत का देखते हैं, फिर आपका देखते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके सर, ओके सर।
सर
यस,
सर
स्टार्ट
मेरी
नाउ।
सर मैं
हाँ,
इसमें
स्क्रीन
स्क्रीन।
आपकी विजिबल विजिबल।
Yes sir, so means it was written the question that I have to use size of operator, size of function. So first I uh, print the, means I use the printf function to write the proper statement, and I use this person d to display this int size of. हाँ सर।
गिव मी 1 सेकेंड। हेलो। हाँ सर, मैंने एसबीआई का चेक भी भेज दिया है और वो अकाउंट नंबर। ठीक है, ओके सर। नहीं 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 नहीं, अब ये एक्चुअली मैं जहाँ पर वो छोटी जगह पे हूँ, जब मैं वापस अपनी जगह पे पहुंचूंगा तो वहाँ बैंक में जाके ही खुद कर दूंगा। तो 11 तक। अभी मैं शिरपुर में हूँ, ये सामान वामान के लिए नाम से आया था ना मैं थोड़ा सा। हाँ हाँ, तो यहाँ पर क्या है, अब एक ही बंदा है, वही सब कुछ करता है। वहाँ 4-5 बैंक है जो मेरा प्लेस है। तो 11 तारीख के आसपास में वहाँ पर पहुंचूंगा, तो 11 तारीख के आसपास हो ही जाएगा। ठीक है, तो ओके सर, थैंक यू। यस।
Yes sir, I explained.
सो मैं पहले तो प्रॉब्लम चेक कर लूं। आपका प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 था ना?
No sir, 5.
Write a program to display size of every data type. So how do you display the size of data type? Let me check. So
Sir,
only
so
3
should I?
data types are available.
No sir, there are like many, but I know only 3.
Okay, you want to show your logic.
Yes sir. Sir, is it proper?
Yes.
Okay sir.
Okay. Now, Mahima, any other person has done the program?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let me check
Yes, sir.
Mahima's program first. Mahima told that she has written in chat box. So which chat box?
Sir, this one only.
The section
सर जनरल में लिखा है सर।
general. Okay, let me check. So let me show you this screen and just explain line by line. Okay, Mahima.
Okay, sir.
So is this screen visible to you?
No, sir.
No. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
सर पहले तो हमने लिया 2 इंटीजर इंट ए एंड बी, फिर हमने लिखा कि एंटर एनी 2 नंबर प्रिंट एफ में था कि वो उसको प्रिंट कर। फिर स्कैन एफ में हमने %d और %d लिखा क्योंकि हमें 2 इंटीजर को स्कैन करना है, और फिर उनका एड्रेस दिया ए एंड बी कि हमें वहाँ पे ले जाएगा वो जो हम टाइप करेंगे। फिर अगर ए बी से बड़ा हुआ तो प्रिंट एफ करेगा ए क्योंकि ए बड़ा है। फिर अगर अगर बी ए से बड़ा हुआ तो फिर वो बी प्रिंट करेगा एंड देन रिटर्न 0।
Okay, so this is your program, na?
Yes,
Let me copy this program first and show you what are the problems with this program. Okay. So this image is this is the major program. If major problem with anyone that you are writing the program but you are not able to, your logic is also good. So here in this program, what are the problems? Module 3 and module 3. Okay, one is part 1 and another is part 2. So this is the program. Okay, in this program, what are the problems? Everything is okay. Main is written, no problem, but no curly braces there, closing curly brace. Integer a and b, fine. Scanf must be small case. Okay, so this will automatically lose your marks. This will automatically lose your marks. Then %d after this one double quote will be coming and this double quote is not there. Address of a comma address of b. Okay, and no comma over here.
Okay, sir.
Fine. This only says that we need to wait for cursor, and it is waiting for 2 cursor or 2 characters to enter. If a is greater than b, then printf each and everything must be in connection and this must be small. Okay, %d is largest integer, no problem. %d is largest integer. Then after this double quote, and don't put slash n over here, let me write this statement once again. %d is largest integer, followed by slash n, double quote close, then comma, and what you want to write in place of %d? So a.
Sir,
okay, yes, so
yes.
a is written here. Fine. Similarly, else, after that else, this is not required. It automatically says something else. Okay, if it is not there, then it will say something else. So this will give you %d is largest, and don't put after that you need to write slash n, and instead of writing this, put comma over here and put b. Okay, if you want to multiple conditions, if you want to use multiple condition, so you can write if a is greater than b, printf %d is largest, comma a. Else, if you want to write more condition, b is greater than a, then printf %d is largest. I know someone of you is having doubt, but I am showing what is the outcome of this. Else printf both number are equal. Okay, so this is our if block. Fine. If
Yes,
you
sir.
want to write, if you want to write only maximum, if you want to write only maximum, then what कौन सी चीजों को हम छुपा सकते हैं? पहली बात हम इतनी चीज को छुपा देंगे, ठीक है? ओहो, ये तो गलत हो गया, चलो कोई बात नहीं। और ये एल्स को भी हटा देंगे और ये प्रिंटफ को भी हटा देंगे। तो अब क्या होगा कि जब हम इसको रन करवाएंगे तो इफ a is greater than b then it will print correct output, but if a is equals to b then it will print b is largest. Okay, and if a equals to b again it will be greater than a, then also it will print, means this statement will be printed, this statement will be printed for which condition? Either a is less than b or a equals to b. For both the condition it will
Okay,
print.
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why I had suggested that either you need to write else a is less than b, and after that else if a is less than b, and then else. So अब दोनों condition check हो गई है, तो केवल default वाली condition बचेगी. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, any other program?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have
Yes, sir.
written in the chat box.
Written in the chat box. So let me delete this program first and let us check your program. Kartavya.
Sir, it's on pre and post increment.
Pre-increment and post-increment. So why you
Yes,
have
sir.
taken two values? Is it written?
No, sir.
6 program. Write a program to illustrate the use of prefix and postfix increment and decrement operator. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Simple program. Any other? उमेश स्वामी. अच्छा, उमेश है इस क्लास में ना? मुझे ये लगता था कि ये है ही नहीं, ना तो इसकी आवाज आती है. इंटीजर मेन. सो उमेश स्वामी का प्रोग्राम मुझे दिखाना पड़ेगा, because this program consists of lot of errors. Umesh, your brain is working like
Yes,
mobile?
sir.
Mobile keypad?
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Mobile.
No, your brain is working like mobile keypad. First character is by default capital. Okay. Then integer P, R, T, and Y. What is this? Interest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it must be written print and then followed by very big space. Principal, interest, rate and time. ये क्या चीज है?
Sir, principal are interest rate or time.
अरे आपको यदि इंग्लिश में नहीं लिखना है, if you don't want to write in English, you can simply write number or just one word you need to put enter. Okay, but where he or she may enter the value, so you need to write, and it is very good that you have written by your own. You have not tried with internet, because each and everything is given in internet. I am happy with this. Now you need to write one statement, scanf, then you have taken integer value. So %d, 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 double quote, then principal, then interest rate, okay, then time, okay, at the
Sir,
rate
I
of,
got this. I know this.
fine. After
Yes,
that,
sir.
interest, this your interest is not very interested. I mean, say you are not interested in this interest, I think. Here also some space is there, here also some space is there. What is this?
Sir, it input amount.
नहीं, ये स्पेस क्यों आ रहा है ऐसा? यहां पर भी आ रहा है. भी प्रोग्राम जब लिखो ना तो बहुत क्लियर रहना है ना. जैसे आपको लिखना है
Yes,
तो
sir.
थोड़ा छोड़ के इंटरेस्ट लिखा, ठीक है, क्लियर समझ में आया कि क्या लिखा है. मस्ट बी इक्वल्स टू ब्रैकेट स्मॉल p इंटू स्मॉल r इंटू स्मॉल t, ओके, divided by only slash 100. Fine. So it must be written clearly. Then printf si equals to %d. So yes, and then return 0. Logically the program is correct, but it is not accepting anything. So this statement is missing. Then come to close. Vagish has written some problem for swapping. Okay. So Vagish, are you able to explain this?
हेलो यस सर.
So just explain line by line.
सर पहले सर हमने इंटीजर में दो वेरिएबल ले लिए ए और बी, उसके बाद प्रिंट एफ करके सर हमने वैल्यूज ली. एक मिनट सर. सर एक स्कैन एफ लिखना भूल गया सर, एक मिनट फिर से भेजता हूँ सर.
कुछ गड़बड़ी है ना?
सर स्कैन एफ लिखना भूल गया, प्रिंट एफ के बाद स्कैन एफ आएगा.
हाँ, शहोज, एक्चुअली ये जो वॉल्यूम का प्रोग्राम है, दिस इज फॉर क्यूबॉइड, नॉट फॉर क्यूब. ओके, so this is written correctly,
Okay,
no problem, but my grammar is, this is cuboid. Then Rajbir Gupta, my God. Rajbir? You are here only or somewhere else? Rajbir Gupta. देखो भाई, कल से आप लोगों को राजबीर पढ़ाएगा, है ना? एडवांस कॉन्सेप्ट में उसने भेजा है पूरा आंसर. कल से मैं भी राजबीर की क्लास अटेंड करूंगा. Microphone is not working. Great. Yes, Shahoj, then Vagish. Vagish is,
Yes, sir.
okay. So most of you have done nicely, and I think This program is simply cut and paste. Rajbir, because I had not explained any such concept and the program was quite simple. Scan app. Okay. So here,
Hello.
Vagish,
Yes,
Vagish, in your program particularly, there are some errors. Okay. What are those errors?
Okay,
You need to
sir.
write, yes, in a scanf statement, this statement must be don't write %d, only %d, and %d. Okay. Because you want to enter 3 numbers, so %d, this will open one space, again %d, another value, again %d, another value. And after that, at the address of A, at the address of B, and at the address of C.
Okay, sir.
So see, if you are doing like this, if you are making or if you are sending wrong program, not an issue, because ultimately when campus placement will be going, then what you will do? Not this is not solution, and you are not going to impress anyone. I don't know whether this program is written by Rajbir or not. If he has written, then very good. If he has not written, then it is expected that please write by your own word. It is very, very important. Okay. Very good program is not important. Logic is important. The programming logic is very important. These numbers. Suppose the value of A is 5 and B is 7. So what is now new value is 12. Okay. After that, what is the value of B? Once again, 12 minus B. What was the value of B? 7. So now the value of B will be 5. And now again, if we do A equals to A minus B, so it will become 7. So this is the simple swapping program. Okay, the logic is written correctly, although the printf scanf has some problem. Fine.
Okay,
So
sir.
be careful, because you are making fool yourself. Okay, I'm not interested. If I had already told that if a person is not interested, if he or she is interested to get marks directly, I will provide them. There is no meaning of that. But when a real examination will be coming, you will definitely fail. Okay. So for this purpose, writing by your own is very important. Okay. So this is very good. Logic is very good. Although you have seen from somewhere else, it does not matter. But if logic is written correctly, then it is very, very good. So I think it is now I'm summing up this class. So we will meet tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.